This is case file 76, the ocean within. Have you ever looked closely at the seashell, the spirals, the ridges, the deep hollow center? It perfectly mimics the biological blueprint of a human ear. It is almost as if Mother Earth designed the receiver and buried it in the sand, leaving us to figure out how to tune in. Do you remember being a kid? Someone hands you a shell, tells you to press it against your ear, and suddenly you hear the ocean. It felt like magic. But take the shell away. Cover your ear with your hand. Cover it with an empty cup. Close off the noise of the world, and you hear the exact same frequency. Science will tell you it is just blood rushing through your veins, echoing in a confined space. But what if it is something deeper? What if that frequency is the earth itself, communicating in her own language, reminding us that we are constructed from her very soil? We are made of 100% earth, yet we spend our entire lives trying to disconnect from it. We pave over the soil with concrete. We tear up the natural grass, the very clothing of the earth, and replace it with artificial turf. We fill our spaces with artificial plants and plastic trees, choosing the illusion of nature over the beauty of it. We block out the stars with artificial lights. We insulate ourselves from the ground beneath us with thick rubber boots, walking everywhere but never actually touching the earth. We are surrounded by an artificial imitation of life, created by people who view the earth as an enemy to conquer rather than a mother to listen to. But no matter how much concrete they pour, no matter how much artificial light they shine, they cannot erase the connection, because the ocean's floor is still singing and you are holding the receiver. Stop for a moment. Cover your ear. Block out the noise. Do you hear it? That isn't just silence. That is the original frequency. You're not disconnected. You just forgot how to listen. But what if it worked both ways? If the seashell is a receiver designed by the earth to let us hear her frequency, what happens when we whisper back? Have you ever spoken into a shell? What if it isn't just an empty vessel? What if it is a direct line of communication to the life existing deep beneath the waves? What if the ocean is not just speaking to us, but actively waiting for us to answer? We look up at the stars, searching for extraterrestrial life, ignoring the alien worlds right here on our own planet. We build massive satellites to broadcast messages into the empty void of space, hoping someone, somewhere, is listening. But what if the Earth gave us a direct communication line, completely free of charge? And instead of speaking to it, we just put it on a shelf as decoration. Pick up the receiver. Stop just listening to the noise and start speaking into the silence. Send a light. This is Arien. Watch your six.